Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a quick video on how to play Come On, the Rolling Stones cover of Chuck Berry's song. It was, I think, their first single, written in not written in 1963, but they recorded in 1963. It's a pretty simple song, should only take a couple minutes to learn. It's really just some chords, played by Keith. In this one, Brian plays harmonica. So you start off with an F chord right here, and that's the pattern you're going to have. The entire song right there is just the. So it starts off going from that, and then to an A flat or a G sharp, and then to a G, and those are all you can do bar chords. In the recording, it sounds a little thin. It might just be the guitars Keith playing or whatever. He put some reverb on it, but I don't know if he's doing the entire bar chord or maybe just the higher end notes. Because Bill Wyman is playing a pretty prominent bass line in this, so if he's playing this, it might have crowded out the sound a little bit of the bass, but I'll just stick to the basic chords here, not go do anything too fancy, but it starts off like this. So you're going like that with the F chord, and then you're doing 1, 2, 3. So 2 on the G sharp, and then 1 on the G. So and you go do that 2 times through, and then you go into the verse where you alternate between the F chord right here and then the D minor chord, which I like to do the bar chord here for the D minor, but you can play it down here as well. And so then it goes. So that last chord I shift to there is the C chord. Once again, you can play it down here. You can play it open if you want, but I like doing the bar chord, and that's the verse structure for every single part of this song. There is a part in the middle that they change keys, and so after they get done playing it, they play G, and then they go to a C, and then after that, that's when they start the kind of the transition there. So you play the verse normally. So after you play that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 5 you're hitting the C chord after playing the G chord. That's when you go back to the intro and you play it through once, where you go. And then you move, that's when you move a semitone up. So instead of playing F, you play F sharp, and you go into. So. And then from there on, you're playing the same pattern, just everything shifted up 1 semitone, 1 fret. So then you're going. And that's really all you need to know to learn how to play the song. It's very, very simple, but it's the first single I thought I'd cover. It's pretty easy. I guess I'll do a quick playthrough. I'm not going to do the entire song, but just of how all the parts fit together so you have an idea. So. So that's all the parts kind of brought together, condensed. I obviously didn't repeat any verses, but that should be a pretty easy one to learn, fun one to play as well. So I'll link in the description the recording, so if you want to play along, at least the one that I heard, the mono version that they released as a single. But I hope this has been helpful. I hope this is an easy one for you to learn, and please like if you like the video and subscribe.